What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are going to do a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Mi11 Lite. Now before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.55-inch AMOLED 10-bit color depth display with 90Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10 in 20:9 aspect ratio. It has 800 nits peak brightness and it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It has DCI-P3 color gamut and it comes with True Color technology. As for performance, it comes with Snapdragon 732G with Adreno 618 GPU. It has up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 storage. It comes with liquid cool technology, which helps in efficient heat dissipation. Powering all this is 4250 mAh battery and it comes with 33W fast charger in the box. It says 62% charge in 30 minutes and 100% charge in 65 minutes. As for audio, it has dual stereo speakers and it has high-res audio support for that lossless music. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. There is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 100% and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 30 to 31 degrees, on the bottom it is 31 to 32 degrees, on the back it is 30 degrees, and on the bottom it is 31 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. You can swipe from the edge to access Game Assistant, and from here you can block calls, notifications, take screenshot, record the screen, and you get more options for better gaming experience. Now let's check graphics settings. HD graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are great, colors look vivid, and details are also great. Controlling is pretty good, and I couldn't notice any lag. The punch hole design gave immersive experience, and the sleek body with lightweight makes it easier to hold it for longer duration. It's been 15.5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 to 38 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 to 37 degrees, on the back it is 37 to 38 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 degrees. It's been a total of 16 minutes and the battery came down to 99%. That too just now as we speak. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 1% of battery, which is great. Now for heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and check the temperature. There is still AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. Now it's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 41 to 44 degrees, I even saw 45 degrees. On the bottom it is 36 to 37 degrees, on the back it is 40 to 43 degrees, and on the bottom it is 36 to 37 degrees. Phone doesn't feel hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 228 photos in 3 minutes, and that is good. And there is no throttling going on. Now that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Mi11 Lite. Now it has great visuals and it gives immersive experience with that punch hole design. It also has great performance and it is pretty sleek and light in hand. Overall, it is pretty good for gaming. So what do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below, and I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.